I was told a story. Sometimes stories are true, sometimes they're not, and I decided to check and see if this one was true or not. I was buying some 12 volt, 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate batteries so I could stock them here at the warehouse and have them for people that need them for little systems. Sometimes it's just nice to be able to pick one up, even if I can't really compete with the price on Amazon. But then I'm looking at Amazon and I'm like, well guys, this looks like the exact same battery that you're trying to sell me in bulk, and it's less expensive if I just buy it on Amazon. And they said, oh no, that's a different battery. And I'm like, okay, maybe it is. I went ahead and bought both. So let's open up both and see if there is in fact a difference between the one that I'm buying that's supposedly a good JBD BMS with 100 amp hours worth of cells inside and built well compared to the $150 option on Amazon. So far, they weigh about the same. Also, they're coming from the same place. Not a great start, but that doesn't mean that they're the same battery. Let's see. And of course, there's no recourse, right? I'm buying from somebody in China, even if they do stock their goods here. So whether this is what they say or not, I'm kind of stuck with it, but let's see. Now, when I was buying them, they gave me the option of, do you want the Java Energy one or do you want the no-name one? And I was like, well, I mean, I'd rather just the no-name one, right? So here is the Java Energy straight from my friends at Amazon. Mr. Bezos himself, because you know, I'm sure he packs all these. So far, they are packed exactly the same. Here's my manual for this one. Mr. Box 10 of 10. Pull this guy out. And we'll grab the scale and do a weigh first. Both have the same kind of packaging, same strap, same battery case. I realize battery case doesn't really mean a whole lot. I think they're all using a very similar battery case now. Probably because they're just making it in bulk in one factory and using it everywhere else. Let's see, so what does the front look like? Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can see that. They look very much the same, except one of them says Java Energy instead of LiFePO 4 on the front. Cool. And here we have the specs, which at first glance appear to be exactly the same. Let's grab a scale. Because, you know, sometimes they like to load up a 100 amp hour battery with, say, 50 amp hour cells. No bueno. All right, what do we got here? 24 pounds, 2.2 ounces. That's for the white label. This one is, oh, it's actually heavier. Did I get that on there right? 24 pounds, 2.9 ounces. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Oddly enough, the cheaper one weighs more. Don't think that's usually how that works, but okay, let's open them up. And of course, I'm sure this is gonna be fun. I have never actually opened one of these. I've heard that you're supposed to like freeze them. It's such a shame to open up a brand new battery. It's fine. Just do it. Don't know. Could just literally cut the top off. I could also stick these in a fridge I've got for a few minutes. Maybe I'll do that. I wonder what kind of tool is best for getting up under the ridge here. See, I should be asking my friend, there we go, just broke my razor blade. That's fine. I should be asking my friend, Mr. Brad Cagle. He does this all the time. When I open these up, he'll probably be like, yep, that's a such and such battery. See those all the time. Because they all look the same. Okay, that's not working very well. I'm gonna throw these in the fridge for a bit and come back. All right, so I got fed up. I was over here putting my razor blade in here, and I was able to get this older one popped up, but this brand new battery, I cannot get to open. So we're just gonna go to town. Smoky. As long as it's not the battery smoking and just a case, right? Then we're good. Let's see if I went far enough. So I think anything that wasn't glued together, I have effectively glued together now, so I'm gonna have to cut all the way around for sure. That's something. There we go. All right. So there's one. There's the next. Let's see if we can get this guy to pop open. I suppose I could try popping him open. Give it the old college try. The seam does look a little closer. No, we're going for it. Hey, look at that. I think I managed to do it without nicking anything. All right, let's get you back overhead so we can see what's going on here. All right, both batteries cut open. So here's our Java Energy straight from Amazon. We got 7-gauge wire, 7-gauge wire. Can you see both of these? Yeah, we can see both of these. Same yellow caulking there. Big ol' hunk of foam up top. I don't know if this is just gonna, might be able to just dump this out. Let's see. Maybe not. Might need to get this foam on the sides clear. You know what I could do? I'd probably just pop the top off of this. I don't know that I really need to get that far into the cells anyhow. Let's just stick my metal razor blade right into where the battery cells are. That way I can short something out. Just living on the edge over here. All right, here we go. So I've got my non-Bluetooth Amazon battery here that I bought for 150 bucks, and I have my Bluetooth battery, which was from the same seller that was trying to sell me this battery with different writing on the front, saying that it was not the same as the Amazon one, because she was trying to charge more than what this Amazon was for. And I'm pretty sure that that company sells on Amazon, that they also sell through Alibaba and probably through AliExpress and who knows how many different places. But I'm just like, it seems very suspicious that you would sell the Java Energy straight to me from Alibaba, and then the Java Energy that's on Amazon you're saying is a different battery, and that's the reason that it's less expensive. So I've torn them down to this point, and you can see that the non-Bluetooth version has a larger physically BMS, which probably explains why this battery is slightly heavier, it's like less than a pound, than this Bluetooth battery, which oddly has more features, but it's a smaller BMS. They have slightly different model numbers, but this one has the Bluetooth traces on it. You can actually log into it. This one does not. Which, take that or leave it. If you got a bunch of these, it's kind of annoying to have to log into each one and see battery capacity and whatnot. But on the other hand, you can troubleshoot your battery without having to open it up and pull off sense leads and measure with a multimeter. You can actually just see it in an app and see all 4 cells and see what they're doing. I think she was trying to scam me, and kind of sort of did, because I still bought these batteries. I'll still sell them. They're good batteries. It's just, why are you charging me more than what I could just buy them on Amazon for. Like, I guess that's where it was. Maybe they were just running a specific sale on Amazon, but she could have just said that. If I bought it off of Amazon, I'd still be buying from her. But then there's the Amazon fees. Like if she was paying 15 to 20% on Amazon, this $150 battery, they made like $120 on it. They still had to ship it overseas to get to a US warehouse. Like, I don't see how they're making any money at all. So it's very possible those $150 Amazon batteries are loss leaders. They're trying to get some people to buy them, get some reviews on the listing, and then they'll start raising the price. I did notice the other day, this one was listed for $170 instead of $150. So maybe they're starting to raise the price back up. I don't know. I don't really know how all this stuff works. I'm just kind of fumbling around, and I'll share some of my experiences with you. Have fun collecting electrons.